Okay, everybody, my name is Ken George, and what I want to do is a quick video taking you through the creation of a landing page that we're going to be able to attach to a proxy so that you can broadcast your business message out 100, 200 yards in every direction to people's smartphones. So what we're going to do initially is we're going to come over, and to create a brand new landing page, we're going to click the green Create Landing Page button. And we've got different areas that we can go into here. Sales pages, company pages, video promotion, personal pages like a personal business card, coming soon, thank you, as well as other. But let's go ahead and just dive right into the sales pages. And we're going to pick a template here, and we are going to do an ad for what the heck is it called? A flower shop. So we are going to pick this one here. We can click this button to preview it, but I've used it before, so I'm going to just choose this one. Oh my gosh, I can't even see. Okay, so we've given it a name, and right up here we can look at this landing page template that we're starting with. Okay, so that's really nice already. And that's what it looks like on a smartphone. If you click here, you can see what it looks like on a tablet. Here you can see what it looks like on a computer. So sometimes it's easier to work on everything in the computer version, and then when you want to see what the effect of that is, then you can just go ahead and click the button to see what it looks like on a smartphone. What we want to do is we want to get ourselves 4 different pictures that are going to fill these spots, and a logo. Okay. I love this picture here. It's not the right shape, I think. Okay, we want this picture for sure. So I'm going to save this as JJ1. And that was their logo. They've got a lot of cute and interesting things that they're trying to promote here. That looks like fun. And I'm just going to go ahead and crop this right now. And this is my snipping tool. And I don't want that. There we go, and we'll save this one as JJ2. Okay, we need 2 more pictures and we're home free. It's funny. I like that bear. And sometimes this can really be the most time-consuming part of what we're doing, is just trying to figure out what areas of the business we want to promote. And of course, one of the big issues here is that I don't really have any input from the customer. I'm just sort of making this up to give you an example. But this is perfect for flowers. It's obviously a flower shop in addition to whatever else they do. So JJ3, to me, that's their core business. And let me just find one more area of their business to promote. And from that point, everything is really downhill or uphill. No, I think it's downhill. It's easy. All right. Okay, perfect. JJ4. Okay, so we have everything we need. Let's come over here and there's one other thing I wanted. And there is a picture. There is a picture of their logo in here someplace. No, right here. Again, this is called the snipping tool. I am on a PC. If you do not have this or don't know where to find it, go to Google and look for the snipping tool. It's right here, SNIPPING tool. Okay, and we're going to call this JJ5. Okay, done with that. Now, let's dive in. And all we're going to do is place these things. So this logo here, bye-bye. Okay, and now we're going to upload the files. And what we're going to do is we are going to upload all 5 of those at the same time. And there we have it. Okay. So we hold down the control button and select all 5 of those. Hit the open button and all of those will be deposited here into the back office. So for the logo, it's right here. And then we click update and there's the logo. But as you can see, it has a white background. So what we want to do here is come to this button, go to the background, and now we're going to be able to choose the color right here. You can see how this is a little, it's hard to see, but it's a little off-white. So we're going to make that all the way white. We click the update button, and now you can see everything blends in just fine. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like on our phone. Oh, what do you know? It's too big. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our computer. We are going to click this button here again to modify the image. We are going to click Browse again. Here is now our list of images. So what we're going to do, we are going to find this image and click it one time to select it. Then we can come right here to resize and rotate. So we click that button, and right now the width is 505, and we can just grab this bottom corner. See what 366 looks like. Click the apply button, very scientific. Okay. And look at that. Now all of a sudden it's something that fits and there's plenty of room. So that takes care of our space up top. The next thing here is we want to use our pictures. I want to get my pictures all in place. And because I have that name there, I don't want to use this picture here because that would have the name in there twice back to back. So the first thing that we're going to promote in that top picture, let's click update. Let's see what this looks like. Well, that's a pretty horrible image, so I don't think we will be sticking with that. All right. see what this looks like. We click the update button. Okay. Artisan Gifts and Flowers. Now that looks like an inviting, fun place. So what we're going to do, let's just take a look at their website really quick. Okay, not very imaginative. But I want to do exactly like what they've done here. And I want to go ahead and put a film over top of that image because it's not a great image. Okay, so right here is where I have the image. This is where I have the color. And what we're going to do is we are going to grab this. And we are going to put a little gray film over it just like that. All right. How about that? Nice. Okay, let's keep going. And here we will, again, we want to work on it in the website, size for a website. Okay, and we didn't use the flowers, so let's see if our flowers work better for us here. No, it really doesn't work. But I'm not concerned because I have something else that I know is going to work great. I'm just discouraged because now I'm going to have to go back and find one additional image. No problem. Okay, look how beautiful that image looks in that space, right? And on a smartphone, look at that! Okay, see, there is hope. Alright. I'm one image away from being done here. Wow, that's beautiful. I don't know what these are. Mugs? Candles? Not sure. There's gonna be something else. So, you know, typically when you sign up a customer, or as a customer when you sign up, you want to, again, just to be able to get started with something, having a logo is great, especially a logo without a background image is even better. And okay, this is going to be cool. Yep, I like this. JJ6. Okay. To be real. Okay, we'll do that one last, so we're gonna... No, we can do this one. Update. Okay, perfect! One more. And now we're looking for JJ6. Almost done here, people. Oops, what am I doing? Okay, we gotta upload it. So we're gonna click Upload Files. And we're going to JJ6. Okay, I won't blame you if you decide you want to start dancing. How about that? Nice. Okay, so from the bottom to the top. Okay, Artisan Gifts and Flowers. So now the question becomes, what do we want to promote? We've already got their logo, so we want to figure out something to promote here. So how about join us for fun, flavor, and frivolity. Alright, now we're going to just end it there. Okay. Okay, so boom. Artisan Gifts and Flowers. Join us for fun, flavor, and frivolity. So much more than your ordinary flower shop. Learn more. Let's see. That learn more is a little premature. So I would say like okay, so when I click on this little button here, that's where I can assign this some functionality. I can change the size. I can go with something that's smaller versus medium. The extra large I think looks just fine. The shape. Okay, and then we're going to keep it visible, and we're going to come up here, and we're going to, I want them to call, like book a class or schedule something. So what we're going to do is put in a telephone number. So what you do is, you've got that hashtag that's already there. We're under URL, and what we do is we write in TEL, and then colon, and then you put in the phone number. Once you do that, this is where you can control the color of that box. And then to update that information, you click Update. And now when you click this, you're making a phone call. So let's go ahead, and let's change the verbiage here. Instead of learn more, book a class. Okay. Alright, so that's a battery of social media things that they can click on to like it. Don't take our word, and so we've got a spot here for a testimonial. You guys are great. Keep up the great work. Jenny Smith, the Bats, that actually works well for us here. And then down below, we've got a picture here, and we can say something like 25% off all sundries. Okay, I'm not even sure what sundries are, but I think it's just those little things that you can stick in a bag. But it's just an example, so I have that sort of freedom. Let's see. Next, what are we going to say? So, come and browse our huge selection of hard to find items that are sure to make your life a better place. Come and see for yourself. and save while you do. Okay. Hey now. Okay, and then we go. So let's come here. Use this ad to save when you
Subaru, their engineers never stop thinking of ways to keep Subaru vehicles at the leading edge of safety. And at Dyer Subaru, we never stop thinking of ways to exceed your expectations every time you visit a dealership.
During the Subaru Share the Love events, drive away in a brand new 2018 Subaru Outback 2.5i with 0% financing for 63 months at Dyer Subaru today.
Experience the difference in our expanded inventory of new Subarus at Dyer Subaru and DyerSubaru.com.
Okay. And then let's see.
Can do that salt and pepper never could. Tony Sacheries makes everything taste great. Tap your screen now for great holiday recipes.
Let's see. Take an extra 10% off of already reduced items as we close out last season and move into the new year. All right. So basically what we have here is an ad that we can attach to your proxy that gets a positive message about this business on the smartphones of everyone that's walking by. Now, this might not be my sort of shop to go into because, you know, it's just not. However, the people that are interested in this sort of stuff, when this pops up on their phone, this is a pretty neat way to go. So let's go ahead and save this. We click this button here. We go up to save and we'll click on Save and Publish. Now, when we come back to our list here, here is the ad, the landing page. As you can see, it's published. And we can actually, let's see here, edit landing page, edit HTML, view analytics, delete. Well, we don't want to delete it. What we want to do okay. Alright, so what we can do is we can actually open this. Oh my God, I'm sitting here looking right at it. So right here where it says visit online, again, this is what it looks like in website form, but I can take this link right here, I can put this on my smartphone, and I can see what it looks like on my phone right now on my smartphone to make sure everything is sized properly. So I have that opportunity. In addition, there's also a way to get a QR code, and with the QR code, which I believe we get right here, yeah, so under view, we've got a preview, we can look at it online, and then we also have a QR. So if you're watching this video, go ahead and take your smartphone, and what you're going to want to do is get your QR code scanner out, scan that, and then you can go ahead and see what it looks like on your phone right now. And as I'm looking at it, it is beautiful. I do need to change one thing because this is still too big. As soon as we're done with this, we'll be done. Again, click it once, click the resize button, and I just need to make this a little bit smaller. Click update, that it's adjusted. I can already see that it adjusted. I can't even speak English. Okay, on my phone, I'm just going to hit the button to refresh. And what do you know? It's beautiful. So we are done. We literally just created this in 28 minutes, and we took a little extra time because we did. But this is simple, and we're getting, this is brand new for all of us. So we're going to learn as we go along. But I think we have something that's beautiful here and certainly gives our customers something to get started with, sending this message out to people's smartphones. This is definitely a situation where they're going to be able to boost their class sizes and get a lot more foot traffic inside of their business. So I want to thank you for your time. We're going to make a lot more of these videos as we make more and more of these landing pages for different types of businesses to give you an idea of exactly how to move forward. All right, thanks for spending the time.